Hey, sweetie. Do you like the breakfast I made you? No, I made your favorite. Yep, and that's not the only surprise I have planned for us today. Well, I know we've been stuck inside for a while because of this horrible weather, and I think it's time for a little change in scenery. I know you said you wanted to go to the mall today, maybe pop into the bookstore and check out that new novel you wanted, but trust me, this is going to be way better. What can be better than books? I can't tell you that. You'll have to wait and see when we get there. You got a cozy sweater on, that's good, because it's supposed to be really chilly. Why don't you grab your coat, and I'll get the keys and we'll head on out. Okay, take my hand. It's really slippery on the steps and I don't want you to fall and break your hip or your back. Believe me, last year I fell down the steps and it hurt. I should go to the hardware store soon and pick up some of those rubber mats. You know, the ones we saw in the flyer the other day? I should have got them last year too, but, you know, this whole pandemic thing started and things were crazy. I know it hasn't gotten much better, but, you know, with everybody getting vaccinated, it should be a little easier for us to go out. Yeah, speaking of which, here. You might not need this until we get there. Right, so, now that we're at a red light, do you see that bag at your feet? Yep, that one right there. Go ahead and pick it up. And you should see a black piece of cloth in there. Yeah, I'm going to need you to put that on for me. Can you do that? Why? Because it's all part of the surprise. If you don't put it on, then you'll figure out where we're going, and it'll kind of ruin the whole thing. Here, let me make sure we get it nice and tight. Not too tight, but just tight enough so it won't slip. Yeah, you hold it. Okay, good. Alright, you keep that on, and we only have a little way to go, so, yep, just sit back and relax. Hey, I said stop trying to guess where we're going. Goodness, there's no fooling you, huh? I knew I shouldn't have let you watch all those detective shows, because then you figure things out. 'Cause you're smart. You're too smart for your own good, you know that? Okay, we just need to wait one more turn, and here we are. No, don't do that. You can't take it off just yet. Okay? Trust me, I'm your girlfriend. I wouldn't let you slip. Oh? You hear that? What's that sound? Do you want to take the blindfold off now? I'll count down from 3, and then you can take it off. 3. 2. I know. I'm stalling on purpose. You stand right there, and I will take it off. Surprise! What do you think? I knew you'd be excited. You kept asking me when we were gonna get a dog, and right now seems like the perfect time. We got everything settled in the new house, and we have a bit of money set aside, and I thought to myself, why not get a dog for Christmas? Oh, look at you, so excited. Yeah, I know it's not Christmas yet, but the website said it's easier to get a dog a few weeks or even a month before Christmas because it'll make the transition easier without all the hustle and bustle going on. You know, when all our families come over and there's people everywhere opening presents. And that could be really stressful for a puppy or a dog. And while you were busy at work, I was on the phone with veterinarians and breeders and rescues all over the place, and then I came across the most perfect shelter. I saw the pictures online, and I popped on over here to talk to one of the employees who came to do a home study. And they said our house is perfect for a puppy. Or a doggy, whatever. Yeah, I puppy-proofed everything. You wondered why I was messing around with the house so much and making sure all the cabinets had locks on them. Yeah, you knew nothing about it. I was pretty good at surprising you, wasn't I? Well, I'm glad. So happy you are. What do you say? Want to play with some puppies and doggies? I thought so. Come on, we have to go this way. Oh, look at that! There are so many of them! How are we possibly going to be able to pick just one when they're all so fluffy and cute? Here, we can sit down on the floor and let them come to us. Oh, careful, nothing on top of you. Ah, puppy pile! Oh, little guy. Come here. Who's a good puppy? Yeah, you are. Oh, honey, look at this one. Oh, and that one. Ah, so many puppies. I've never seen so many puppies in a room before. Wait, what? Why are you crying? Those happy tears? You happy to see all the puppies? Yeah, I know. I know it hurts to lose a friend, a family member, especially one who's been there for you through thick and thin. But no matter how sad it was to say goodbye, you don't have to let go of the happy times you shared together. I want to take them all home too, but think about all the other people who want to get a dog or a puppy. Maybe there are a group of children who would be so excited to see their mother or father or another relative come out with a puppy in their hands. Or maybe they're looking for a rescue, and they want to teach kids the value of kindness and helping others. Besides that, if we adopted all the animals here, our house would be so full, and we'd barely be able to step through the hall without stepping on the little paw beans. Looks like they want to cheer you up. Yeah, they're saying no one is allowed to be sad while playing with puppies. Oh, look, you want the ball? Yeah? Okay, go get it. Yeah, good doggy. Oh, you already know how to play fetch. That's adorable. Oh, do you mean? This one looks like the dog. Really? Same color, same pattern, everything? Yeah, now that you think about it, this doggy seems to really like you. It's as if they've met you before. You know, it may sound silly, but I believe in reincarnation. I believe that dogs and cats who have been with us in the past, even family members, like parents or grandparents, they have a way of coming back to us. Yeah, is that your doggy? It's gonna be our doggy? Okay. Let's go and talk to the staff and get some things arranged, and yeah. Merry early Christmas, honey. I love you so much.